Okay, welcome. I welcome all of you. So let us start today's topic. Today is the 3rd of June 2020. And first I would like to share my screen and then we will start the discussion of today's topic. Yes, that's very fine. So my dear friends, today's topic of the 3rd of June 2020 is Rasashastra एवं वैषज्य कल्पना paper 1, and that is the set of question papers. So this is very essential for the appearing students as well as for the revision purpose and to build up the confidence. So this is the PPT made up of the previous question papers. This is presented by myself, that is Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, and I am MD in Ayurvedic Medicine and MD in Ayurvedic Physiology, Kriya and Kaya Chikitsa. This is my mobile address, mobile number. This is also WhatsApp number. So you can use it 922681060. Okay. And this is my mail ID. You can very well contact me on this mail ID. What for you can contact me? There are some different reasons that I can say you. Number one, if anybody has any health problem, then they can consult me. Then if anybody wants to set up his lifestyle, personal or online lifestyle counseling, excuse me, based on your Prakriti and also palmistry. Professor Deshpande is also palmist. So you can have the separate consultation also for the palmistry, especially lifestyle counseling. Then any student can contact me for online personal classes or the group classes. I'm not regularly conducting because I'm a professor and head of the department in Ayurveda College Nigri. So if SOS guidance is required on specific questions on specific topic, we can conduct some Zoom lectures. Okay. Also, it is related with the Ayurvedic subjects as well as the modern subjects like pathology, pharmacology, and the medicine. And my earnest request that please subscribe my YouTube channel. Next, I think it will be better if I can try for the PowerPoint presentation. Let us see how it will work. So yes, that's very fine. That's more better. So this is my appeal from the Professor Deshpande. That is a request to the CCIM, Central Council of Indian Medicine and Ayush Department, that they can appeal to all the universities like MUHS, Jamnagar University, Banaras Hindu University, Rajiv Gandhi University, that after completion of their theory papers, they can upload the question papers on their respective websites. So these question banks are very well definite guidelines for the appearing students. There is a doubt in the mind of many people. Professor Deshpande wants to make the student exam oriented. No, never, never. Why I should make it that? I know that medical student should perfect in all the topics of his subject. But my dear friends, my dear colleagues, respected stalwarts, try to understand that for the average student, at the last moment, it is better to have the review what was asked previously so that he can little bit concentrate on some specific topics. What is the most important part by getting the question papers? Getting the direction to your goal of examination. Getting a direction to the goal of examination. What is this PPT? This PPT is basically based on MUHS question papers. Maharashtra University of Health Sciences, head office is at Nashik, Maharashtra State, India. And there are the different sets. One set is of summer. Can you see here? Summer and the winter. See my cursor at some time. Summer is S, winter for W. Okay. Then total there are 8 papers, 2014, 2015, 2016, 17 and 18. Just a moment, I will try to go back because sometimes I have to check my connection of electricity, but I think everything is fine. So just I wanted to be confirmed. Again, I will go back and start sharing. Again, may I go? Yes, that's perfect. Next slide. We will go for the next slide. Okay, winter 2014. Now, Rasa Shastra. Let me talk about 2 minutes regarding Rasa Shastra and Vaishajya Kalpana subject, which is for the second year BMS students. And also it is useful for those students who are doing post-graduation, MD in Rasa Shastra. Rasa Shastra Shabda is very fascinating. Rasa is a mercury. So in this science, in this subject, the students are getting opportunity to learn about herbo-mineral formulations. I will personally suggest when you will start your practice, basically don't be very aggressive. Don't be very aggressive. First, you start with the simple food supplements, pathya, removal of the cause of any disease, and single herbal tablets. Powders, aswarishtas, that are the simple. But when you start using the minerals, like for example, copper, iron, tin, vanga, zinc, so all these metals, gold, okay, mercury, and all these things, these are supposed to be prepared in a very systematic manner. And so whenever you try to prescribe, whenever you try to purchase these mineral compounds, especially, you should be very careful. I will recommend you should purchase the most standard companies of India, like for example, Baidyanath company, one of the examples. There may be another companies, but Baidyanath, for example, hundreds of years, this has a tradition of manufacturing. So they can give the Shataputi Abrak Bhasma or Sahasraputi Abraka Bhasma. Puta means giving the different bhavana triturations with that particular powder. So if we want to prepare such a complicated medicines, it has the history of that manufacturing company for a longer time. If the company is formed, say for example, in the last 6 months or the 1 year, and they are saying, I am selling Shataputi or Sahasraputi Abrak Bhasma that we have prepared, is absolutely ridiculous. How they can prepare? Then they will say, no, we have purchased from these, we have the source, something like that. Okay? But try to understand, herbo-mineral products should be consumed from the standard authentic manufacturing company. Rasaushadhi are very interesting because they have a lot of benefits. One simple example, there are, in the shlok they have mentioned that Rasaushadhi number 1, they are very quick in action. They are very quick in action. In spite of the herbal, they act little bit more faster. So this is number 1, first advantage. Very fast, because mercury and sulfur, they act like catalyst. Catalyst is a stimulating the process. So they act very fast. Because of addition of this mercury, these particular medicines has a longer shelf life. How much time these particular medicines can be preserved? For example, simple herbal powders, they reduce their functioning capacity, potency within a maximum period of 6 months, maximum. Then simple herbal tablets, they may be 8 months, 1 year. But when you prepare Rasaushadhi, herbo mineral with the mercury, which the rasa word is for the mercury, parad, that gives the preservative type of the benefit to that particular medicine. And that's why these medicines can work together for years together, 5 years, 2 years, 3 years. Of course, each product should be mentioned by the pharmaceutical company, the expiry date. Expiry date in the research is called as a shelf life. Shelf life. So shelf life of Rasaushadhi is more. It is quick in action. Number 3, the dose is very small. Rasaushadhi dose is very small compared to the herbal powders. Write down the example of Arogya Vardhini. is a very famous drug in Ayurveda, Arogya Vardhini. I used to use this medicine a lot. From cold to cancer, from cold to corona, I believe on Arogya Vardhini. Why? Because Arogya Vardhini, as the name suggests, Arogya means health and Vardhini means stimulate. So it is helping to boost our immunity, maintain our health. And this Arogya Vardhini basically acting on the main organ of the body, liver. Because liver is the biggest industry in our human body, biggest factory. Arogya Vardhini acts on the liver. So naturally, protein, carbohydrate, fat metabolism are all stimulated. Sthula Pachana will be good. Sukshma Pachana will be good. Why? Because it is acting on liver, it is acting on the pitta, it is acting on the agni. And Ayurveda says, Rogaha sarve api mandegnam. So all the diseases are because of the faulty digestive fire, weak digestive fire, weak metabolic process. And Arogya Vardhini stimulates that particular process. Arogya Vardhini stimulates. So Arogya Vardhini is 50% one important plant. Write down the name. Arogya Vardhini contain Kutaki. Kutaki herb. Kutaki plant. The Latin name is Picror Hyzacuro. Picror Hyzacuro, Latin name. So Arogya Vardhini tablet, 50% part is Kutki. Kutki is very bitter, try to understand. It's very bitter. It is very difficult to take simple Kutki powder with the water. Very difficult, very bitter, but very good rasayana, very good for pitta stimulation, very good for agni stimulation, bile secretion. Kutki is very important, but it is bitter. So if I give 2 teaspoons of Kutki powder to my patient, take these 3 times, he will not come to me again. He will never come. Why? So what a doctor, he don't understand. त्यालाच खायला घालायला पाहिजे. I should ask the doctor to eat this powder. This is something, the problem. But when we mix this Kutaki with the mercury and sulfur and with other metals, that Arogya Vardhini tablet prepared from the Kutaki can be given in a simple dose. Only 2 tablets. 125, 250 milligram tablet, 2 tablets 3 times in a day. Tablet, easy to take, no bitterness. So this is the third or fourth advantage of Rasa Aushadhi. Rasa Aushadhi, number 1, fast in action compared to the herbal powders. Number 2, expiry date, shelf life can be prolonged. Number 3, palatability, compliance of the patient, respond from the patient. If you prescribe herbal powders, many patients, they don't like it, bitter things. So they are preferred to take the tablets in spite of liquids or in spite of powders. Even it is very difficult to carry the bottles, asvaristas, to their offices, to the colleges, to the schools. So tablets can be carried easily. So action is fast, dose is low, little less, very less dose. Action is fast, catalytic action, shelf life is more, and palatability is more. These are the 4 benefits of Rasa Aushadhi. In the Charak period, basically there was more emphasis on the herbal products, herbal preparation. Although Charak has mentioned somewhere about the Loha and the Tamra, Atharvaveda has also mentioned this, but actually the real applicability, practical implementation has started little bit in the 11th century when Rasa Aushadhi comes in the scenario. So getting Rasa Aushadhi as a part of the management, part of the weapons to treat the patient is a revolution in the field of Ayurveda. Rasa Aushadhi is a revolution in the field of Ayurveda. Don't forget this. And what is Bhaishajya Kalpana? Bhaishajya is a medicine and Kalpana, They are the preparatory methods. How you can prepare simple things at your home. Ginger juice, how you can prepare. Then chutney, kalk, how you can prepare. Hot infusion, cold infusion, hema and fant. Soup, how you can prepare. So these sitopaladi churna, some people can prepare at their home, manufacture at their home for their own consumption. So these simple things are taught in the subject of Vaisheshya Kalpana. Manufacturing techniques as well as their properties, as well as their indications and contraindications. Everything about the medicine. According to me, this Rasashastra, Vaisheshya Kalpana, Dravya Guna Vijnan, these are subjects very parallel to the pharmacology subject of the modern medicine. So they are telling about the different medicines, their properties and their functions. So let us see what, there are two papers of Rasashastra and Vaisheshya Kalpana. We are today talking only about the paper 1. Okay, let us see. Just a moment. Sometimes I will have to check the connection. Okay, everything is fine. Because my dear friends, those who are seeing on my YouTube, they will say, why is there interruption? Because every time, moreover, like these classes, these shootings, video shooting, I perform at my home where there is a Wi-Fi uninterrupted supply. But now it is in my college. Of course, college has the facility, but there's now, for example, today, 3rd of June, kindly note this day. It is rainy outside. Cyclone is coming in the Bombay. And at that time, I am sitting in my college, in my auditorium. So there is a heavy rain outside. Sometimes what that electrical supply is cutting off and on. That's why I'm checking in between. I have connected to my battery, but I have to check that particular battery. So kindly excuse me for 1 or 2 minutes gaps in between our lecture. But you know, Dr. Deshpande is always friendly, user friendly, and he do all the things very informally. I don't have to wear this tie and coat and jacket. No, not necessary. My teaching style is my, what you can say, the personality or the speciality of my personality. So teaching style is more important. Okay. So SAQ 3 marks, SAQ 5 marks. As you know, the pattern. Write paribhasha. Paribhasha means terminology and importance of amritikarana. Now you have to make the notes. Keep the notebook in front of you, paper in front of you, and write only important words. How to study? You have to study amrutikarana. What is the definition and what is the importance of amrutikarana? Explain mruta loha, truna panchamula, and amla pachak. Amla panchak, I am sorry, amla panchak. 5 ingredients are there. Amla panchak. Describe urdhva patana yantra with diagram. Urdhva patana yantra, specific apparatus that you use in the pharmacy. Next slide. We will go further. We will try to go further. Write nirukti and uses of musha. You know, the specific instrument to make the different medicines. Musha. Write uses and ingredients of Mugdha rasa. Mugdha rasa. Write down. Write types and chemical formula of Makshika dravya. Makshika. This is a particular metallic form related with iron. Makshika. Suvarna Makshika. Next, SAQ 5 marks. Write definition and different names of Paradabandha. Paradabandha. Okay. Sometime I will discuss the answers of these also, but it will be done at some another time. Let me read all the questions to first, and then another lecture will be on the answers of these questions. Okay. Describe chulika and angara koshti, fire furnaces. Angara koshti. Right? Parpati nirmana vidhi. Parpati is very interesting formulation. Parpati kalp. For example, Rasa Parpati is very famous. Rasa Parpati. You know, Parpati is prepared by first mercury and sulfur. Give the heat, it becomes liquid, and specific with the instrument, you pour it on the specific banana leaf, banana leaf. We pour that liquid, and again we crush another banana leaf with some oil application or the ghee application on it, and we press within the two banana leaves, we press that liquid from the mercury and sulfur. So it's like the papery things come out, papada sarka kaitari bahir yeto, and then we make it a powder form. So that rasa parpati is in between two banana leaves. Why I am showing this action? Ayurveda says that parpati medicines, parpati, rasa parpati is there, bol parpati is there, bhallatak parpati is there, and suvarna parpati is also there. All these parpati kalpas are acting in the region of Grahani. Please write it down, Grahani. And where is Grahani? Grahani is in between Amashaya and Pakvashaya. Grahani is in between Amashaya and Pakvashaya. So, as parpati is in between two banana leaves, the action of the parpati is in the Grahani in between Amashaya and Pakvashaya. Is it not interesting? So, these are the passing comments when Dr. Deshpande is reading the question paper. Okay. Describe the, especially, let me tell you, whenever the patient is suffering from chronic amoebiasis, chronic giardiasis, these parpati kalpas are very good as a rasayana management. Describe synonym, types and shodhan of Shilajit. Shilajit is very important mineral product that is like a juice or the secretions coming from the mountains. It has to be collected. Some people, they believe it is a secretions from the plant, some believe it is the secretion from the mountains. But Shilajita is the best rasayana, especially for the diabetes mellitus patient, for the santarpana janya vyadhi. So weakness is there with the diabetes. So Shilajita, at the one time, it is reducing the excessive fat. At the same time, it is helping as a rasayan, maintaining the vitality of the patient, energy of the patient. Please write down the tablet Shila Jitvadi Vati. Shila Jitvadi Vati, Adi means etc. is very useful. At least one tablet in the morning, one tablet afternoon, one tablet evening, one TDS to control the diabetes mellitus problem or the hyperlipidemia problem, dyslipidemia problem. Shila Jitvadi Vati. Okay. Next. Third A, if I'm correct. No, I am sorry, I have forgot to take this slide. We have completed Shilajit. This is the slide. Explain Parad Jarana. What is meant by Parad Jarana? Write the different types of Gandhaka, that is sulfur, Jarana Prakriya. What is that Jarana Prakriya? Write Dhanya Bhrak Nirmana Vidhi. Dhanya Bhrak Nirmana Vidhi. Write the names of Ratna and Graha Sambandha. Here two words, Ratna, precious stones, and Graha. These are planets. Sambandha, relation between Ratna and the Graha. This topic is very important. Many times it is asked, Ratna. And in the practice, especially as I am doing the palmistry, I also recommend some people, Daiva Vyapashraya Chikitsa. Daiva Vyapashraya, Mantra, Aushadhi, etc. Money, for example. So mantra, chanting of mantra has its own power. Wearing of some metal, precious stones, that has some significance. Okay, that has some specific vibrations. That is some another interesting topic. Write the definition of yantra. Cursor, please see the cursor. Yantra. Describe Svedana yantra, Valuka yantra, and Dola yantra. Write types of Parada and describe Parada Gati and different types of Parada Gati. Okay, next. Write Nirukti of Dhatu. Dhatu means not Sharirik Rasarakta Maunsameda. That in Rasa Shastra, Dhatu has a different meaning. Describe the Kansya and Varta Loha. So this is Dhatu. That is Loha Dhatu is there. Naga, Vanga, Jasada, Suvarna. So all these are the Dhatus in Rasa Shastra. Rasa Rakta Mamsa Meda Dhatu in Sharirak Kriya, in Kaya Chikitsa. Try to understand the meaning of the word with the specific reference. This is very important for Ayurveda. Right? Dravya of Sadharana Rasa Varga and describe Kampillak and Vannijar Dravya. Two Dravyas, Kampillak and Vannijar. What are these Dravyas? Blank slide, don't worry. Summer 2015, explain the relation between Ratna and Graha. The same thing, Ratna and Graha. Describe ingredients and manufacturing process and uses of Mugdha Rasa. Mugdha Rasa. Explain Sapta Kanchuka Dosha. Sapta Kanchuka Dosha. Describe ingredients, manufacturing process and uses of Tribhuvana Kirti Ras. Some medicines. Whenever the medicines comes, I get little bit excited because I am a practicing person. I have practiced at national and international level. So Tribhuvana Kirti, antipyretic. It gives the sweating. It contains Bachanak, antibiotic of Ayurveda. Tribhuvana Kirti Rasa. Rasa means Parad, mercury. Tribhuvana Kirti, whose, what you can say, the fame is in the all worlds because it is controlling the major health problem, main disease in our general practice, that is the patients of fever. Jwara. I know that fever, jwara are many reasons. Many reasons are there. And we have to treat according to the cause. That I know. Vata jajwara, pitta jajwara, kapha jajwara, santata jwara, satata jwara, anyadishka, tritiyaka, chaturthaka, vishama jwara. I know. But especially when there is a vata kaphanubandha, predominantly cold and cough with expectoration is there and fever is there, that particular Tribhuvana Kirti is very good as an antipyretic symptomatic treatment and also to treat little bit viral entity in that. But sometimes it is not only sufficient. We have to use some another medicines also. But Tribhuvana Kirti will give the sweating and the fever or the pyrexia will be, temperature will be reduced. But remember, Tribhuvana Kirti is hot, Ushna Tikshna Dravya, Ushna Tikshna medicine. So the people having the Pitta dominant conditions, Pitta Pradhana Prakruti, Pitta Pradhana disease, better give the Tribhuvana Kirti very cautiously. Dengue, hemorrhagic dengue, very danger to give the Tribhuvana Kirti. Already there is hemorrhagic dengue. No, Tribhuvana Kirti in spite of Sanshamani Guti, Guduchi Ghanavati, you can give it. Okay. Describe Shodhana and Marana of Makshika. Explain Samanya Shodhana of metal. Dhatunchi Shuddhi Kashi Karta. Taile Takre Gavan Mutre. This is the particular slok. You have to hit the particular metal, Tamra, dip it in the oil, again heat it, again dip into the oil. Yes. My dear friends, I remember one thing to tell you. Very interesting thing. I have my YouTube channel, everybody knows. Professor Deshpande has YouTube channel. When you go to Google, when you open the YouTube, when you have to make the search, there don't write professor. My name in that YouTube channel is Rajendra space Deshpande. Rajendra space Deshpande. Then you will get some another my picture. It's may not be matching because it is something old picture. And then you see the playlist. Please click the playlist and then manufacturing of medicine. Nearly 30 videos are there. How to manufacture Rasashastra Vaishajya Kalpana videos are there on the channel of YouTube of Rajendra Deshpande. Search it. There you will see that Samanya Shodhana of metal. Okay. Write the names of Ashta Samskar of Parad and explain Svedana Samskar. Svedana Samskar. Write the names of Uparasa. 3-4 shlokas are important. Sadharan Rasa, Uparasa, and Maharasa. Write the types and Shodhan of Gandhak, sulfur. I remember you also take the precaution. Especially my experience is about Paribhadra Taila. Paribhadra, Nimba, Kadunimb. It contains the sulfur. Some patients, they do have the allergy of sulfur. So take precaution while using the sulfur product of the Ayurvedic medicines. Because personally, I feel that some people are having the sulfur allergy. Of course, rarely, but they may have. Especially I found when I asked the patient to apply Paribhadra oil, some get little bit reddish maculopapular eruptions, itching. So be careful. Give the definition, that is a paribhasha. Mrita loha. What is the terminology? Mrita loha. Sattva patana. Sattva, extract, arka. Guduchi sattva, sattva patana. Amrita, amritikarana. It was before. Amritikarana. Write the names of Sudha Varga, calcium carbonate products. Shankha Shimple, Sudha Varga, Kapardika Bhasma. Explain Shankha Marana. Explain the process. Shankha Marana. My dear friends, have you experienced sometimes there is change in my face light? That is because of the lights are on and off. Because of the problem in the electricity cyclone of today, 3rd of June 2020, Sindhudurga, Ratnagiri, Kokana. So this is their problems. Describe the dosha of tamra, copper. Very precautionary measure should be taken, because especially some people, they unnecessarily criticize that these Rasaushadhi Kalpas are very, very poisonous, toxic. These Ayurvedic products should be banned. Some people, they write in some journals. This is very wrong concept, because they don't understand Ayurveda. But yes, you must know what is their criticism. What is their criticism on Rasaushadhi? They say these heavy metals, if they are not very well purified, they can be nephrotoxic. They can be hepatotoxic. So better way, I request all my Ayurvedic friends, although you are using standard companies products, you are manufacturing of your own, but whenever you are using Rasaushadhi for a longer time, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, you please perform LFT, liver function test, or KT, kidney renal function test, RFT, in between urea, creatinine. You perform it and keep that paper with you, so that it is a 100% objectivity that whenever I kept my patient on Rasaushadhi, I do not forget to perform LFT and renal function test. We should be open-minded. Like for example, modern doctors say, when you are using rifampicin, for example, of anti-tuberculous drug, they advise, do the LFT. Similarly, when we are using Rasaushadhi for a longer time, for 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 1 week, forget. But for long time, then better you perform intermittently liver function test and kidney function test. Explain types and grahya, grahyatva, acceptance and non-acceptance, Shodhana process of Shilajatu. I already told you, Shilajatu, Shilajatvadivati, best rasayan for diabetes mellitus and obese people, dyslipidemia. Describe ingredients, manufacturing process and uses of Rasa Sindoor. Rasa Sindoor. Okay, next. Write the names of Maharasa. Explain the synonyms, types, Shodhana, Marana, Lohiti Karana, dose and uses of Abhraka. Abhraka Bhasma. Very good medicine. Very good. Number 1. There are a lot of products, medicines which contain the Abhraka Bhasma. Arogyavardhini contains Abhraka Bhasma. Bhuratva Chintamani contains Abhraka Bhasma. Vasanta Kusumakar contains Abhraka Bhasma. Abhraka Bhasma, mica, is acting on very minutest cells. Minutest cells. Rather, cell is the smallest unit. I know that. Cell is a structural and functional unit, but that is the smallest unit. So, but cells at the level of nervous system, cells at the level of respiratory system, you must use the Abrak plasma because they help in keeping the vitality of those particular cells, degenerating cells. If the patient is suffering from Alzheimer's disease, motor neuron disease, myasthenia gravis, so Abrak plasma will be definitely helpful to give the boost to the normal treatment. Explain. Next, Kupi Pakva Rasayana. Kupi Pakva. Kupi means a specific type of bottle used for manufacturing of specific Ayurvedic medicines. Bottle is called as a Kupi. Kupi Pakva Rasayana. Explain ingredients, manufacturing process, and doses and uses of Samira Pannaga Rasa. Rasa is a mercury. Samir Pannag. Samir is a Vata dosh. Vata dosh. So Samir Pannag Ras is the best medicine for Vata diseases. Please write down. Samir Pannag Ras. But here you must be very cautious. Why? Vata diseases are of two types. Vata diseases are of two types. Number one, Dhatu Kshayajanya Vata Prakop. Please write down. Dhatu Kshayajanya Vata Prakop. Second, Margavarodhajanya Vata Prakop. So sometimes pathology is a type of deficiency. Dhatu Kshaya. Dhatus are less in number, less in quality. And second is obstruction phenomena, obstructive pathology. Samir Pannag Ras is useful not for Dhatu Kshayajanya Vata Prakop, it is useful for Margavarodhajanya Vata Prakop. Like for Amavata, any arthritic problem because of the obesity, because of the dyslipidemia, blockages are there, Ama is there, overnutrition is there, then you can use Samir Pannag in the Kapha predominant people. May the predominant people. But very carefully it should be used when the person is very thin, Vata Pradhan, Pitta Pradhan. Use cautiously Samir Pannag Ras. Right? Ingredients, manufacturing process, doses and uses of following kalpas. Kalpa, medicine. Sutta Shekhara Rasa, Praval Panchamruta and Suvarna Malini Vasanta. Again my request. Please go to YouTube channel of Rajendra Space Deshpande. Again go to playlist and then you try to find out audio book of generic medicines part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. Myself, Professor Deshpande has discussed many Ayurvedic medicines in detail. I don't have any time because this is a revision of question papers, question bank. But one tip, one sentence I will tell. Sutta Shekhar Ras is supposed to be the best medicine for Pitta problem. But remember, the Pitta should be Sama Pitta. Sama and Nirama Pitta. These are the Ayurvedic concepts. Compare with the Amla Pitta, acidity. Acidity develops from the indigestion in the Kapha predominant person, Kapha predominant disease, that is Sama. Acidity is coming from the alcohol, eating the very spicy and chili food without any indigestion, that is Nirama Pitta Vriddhi. So we have to decide. Sutta Shekhar is a medicine for Sama Pitta and not for Nirama Pitta. My dear friends, note this point. Pravala Panchamruta, similarly, very good for the indigestion problems, oriented from Ama, not from the Pitta dosha. Suvarna Malini Vasanta, this is the best medicine. Vasanta, all three kalpas are there. Laghu Malini Vasanta, Madhu Malini Vasanta, and Suvarna Malini Vasanta. Vasanta kalpas are rasayana, tonics. Especially Suvarna Malini Vasanta is the best tonic for respiratory diseases after the acute stage is over, to prevent the recurrence of the disease. Okay, so Suvarna Malini Vasanta, best medicine for tuberculosis, bronchial asthma, bronchiectasis, and emphysema as a palliative treatment, not in the acute phases. There we must use the strong medicines. Definition of Pitta, importance, types of Pitta, and explain Mahaputta and electrical muffle furnace. Will you please allow me to check my network? I will check. Yes, everything is fine, my dear friends. Everything is fine. Let us go again and share this PPT again for you. Little bit pause. Every after 1 year, one question set, we will go and check those things. Okay. Next. Here we are going for the next slide. Blank slide. After every year, there is a blank slide. Don't get confused. Winter 2015. Explain importance of Shodhana and Marana in Rasa Shastra. What is Shodhan? What is Marana? Write the method of preparation, therapeutic uses of Gandhaka Dhruti. Gandhaka Dhruti. Very finest product. I remember it was very well used. Write down the name, historical event, very powerful event. It was used by Vaidya Bagewadi sir. Vaidya Raj Bagewadi sir. He is no more. His son, daughter are practicing in Pune. Okay, Bagewadi from the Solapur originally. He used many times this Gandhaka Dhruti as like an Ayurvedic antibiotic. And he commented, I have not seen the practical thing, but he has commented authentically that he has treated his own son when he had the Ghata Sarpa, diphtheria, with Gandhaka Dhruti. With Gandhaka Dhruti, putting the drops on the battasa, that sugar candy, and giving for his son. So this has a very importance use, but very few people nowadays are using Gandhaka Dhruti. So I have given you one concrete example. Right? The method of preparation and therapeutic uses of Hema Garbha Pottali. Hema Garbha. I think Hema Garbha word is very famous in the Vaidyas, theoretically, and for even some patients, they know about that. But I personally say this drug as like injection adrenaline or injection F-Corlin. These particular two injections, if you ask to the modern doctors, these are called as the last injections of the emergency. This is emergency management. Similarly, what is adrenaline type emergency management in Ayurveda? Hema Garbha Pottali. You keep it at your home for Vaidyas, not for the common man. All these my videos, my dear friends, whoever are looking, are not provocating the people for self-medication. I am giving 100 times this warning. My videos are basically for the medical students, medical teachers, medical practitioners, and they can be seen by the common man to just increase their awareness, to know more about Ayurveda, but not for self-medication, never. I think it is clear. Hema Garbha, the Vaidya can rub it on the hard stone, and Satana is given when patient is pulseless. You cannot feel the pulse. The last unconscious coma, patient is dying. Okay, BP is too low. In spite of 120/80, it is like 40/10. BP is dropped down, sweating is there, cold extremities are there. You have to stimulate the heart. So this is the best stimulation for the heart. Hema Garbha Pottali. Write the method and Shodhana and Marana of Vajra. Vajra. Describe Dhruti Lakshanas. Dhruti, I'm sorry. Dhruti. Describe Dhruti Lakshanas, features. Write the definition of Yantra and explain Patala Yantra. This is some technical terms of the particular subject. Describe method of Shodhana, then Dhanyabhraka and Bhasma of Abhraka. mica. I have already discussed about mica, that you explain how the shodhan is done of abrak, how dhanya abrak is prepared, and how the bhasma is prepared from abrak. Okay. Explain grahya, grahyatva, grahya and agrahyatva, gati and dosha of parad. Define putta and explain similarities and differences between Gajaputta and electrical furnace. Putta is a traditional method of giving heat while manufacturing the medicines. Putta dena, ek putta, dona putta, etc. Define musha, specific crucible, and explain vruntak musha. Vruntak musha. Explain, I'm sorry, there is a mistake, printing mistake. If you want, I can correct it right now. I can go back. For example, oh, I am sorry, I should start it sharing again. Okay. I hope that it is continuing, because they say there is some instruction to me that streaming may be stopped, but I hope that it is going on right now. If you don't mind, okay, everything is all right. Explain the difference between Jarana and Murchana. Describe the method of Shodhana and Marana of Hartal. Describe the process of Hingulot Parad. Hingulot Parad. Next slide. We will go further. Describe name of Maharas Dravyas, their chemical formulas. Explain the synonyms. Shodhana, Grahya Grahyatva, therapeutic uses and doses of Shilajit. Define Parpati Kalpana briefly. I have already talked about Parpati in between. Briefly explain the ingredients, method of preparation and uses of Tamra Parpati. Tamra Parpati. Okay. Next slide we will go. Okay. Describe testing, science of quality, standardization, therapeutic dose, uses of Dhatu Bhasmas. Describe the contents, method of preparation, duration of consumption, therapeutic dose and use of two things, Arogyavardhini and Shwas Kuthar Rasa. Arogyavardhini, best liver tonic. I have made a research on Arogyavardhini and the jaundice. So in that jaundice, you have to use the Arogyavardhini and Kumari Asava Rasa. Arogyavardhini and Kumari Asava Rasa. Okay. So is it for infective hepatitis A or regular कावीळ? कावीळीमध्ये हे चांगले औषध आहे आरोग्यवर्धिनी आणि कुमारी आसव. श्वास कुठार रस is best for bronchial asthma, but remember, asthmatic patients having two types, vata predominant and kapha predominant. दम लागलेली जी माणसं असतात, breathlessness, so some people are very lean, vata prakriti, they don't have any expectoration, only dry cough. So these people don't use the Sutta Shwas Kuthar Ras. Shwas Kuthar is beneficial for the kapha predominance, bronchiectasis. A lot of expectoration, white, yellow, green, and spasm of the bronchi. Breathlessness is there. Then Shwas Kuthar will be definitely useful. Blank slide, because new year we started, winter 2016. Write ingredients and uses of Panchamrita Parpati. Rasa Parpati, Tamra Parpati, Panchamrita Parpati, Bhallataka Parpati. There are different types of Parpatis. Describe Damru Yantra with diagram and uses. For all the yantras at home, you practice to draw the diagrams. Write the names of Ratna and Uparatna. Ratna and Uparatna. Write Paribhasha and importance of Mitra Panchak. Write ingredients and uses of Tribhuvana Kirti Rasa for the influenza, for the flu, anti-fever, anti-pyretic. Right? Types of abhrak. Right? Ingredients and nirmana vidhi and properties and uses of Arogya Vardhini Gulika. Don't get afraid. Guti, Vati, Gulika, some small tablet, bigger tablet, etc. Gulika, Guti, Vati in Ayurveda means tablet. Aswa and Arishta is liquid form, medicated wines. Bhasma they are like the powders. Avaleh, they are like jam. Okay, right? Grahya, sorry, Graha and Ratna relation and Ratna dosha, precious stones. Pushkaraj, Vaikranta, Hiraka, etc. Describe Shilajita in detail. Right? Paribhasha, classification of Visha and importance of Visha Shodhana. Visha Shodhana. Right? Synonyms, types and Shodhana of Hartal. Hartal. I remember here one thing. Wait. Hartal and Manashira. Hartal and Manashira. These are arsenical compounds. Hartal, yellow arsenic. Manashira, red arsenic. Very toxic, very poisonous. But Ayurveda is doing the Shuddhi, purification of Hartal and Manashira. Heavy metals, raw metals. No, we are not using directly. But I remember in 3rd of June 2020, when I am making this video, unfortunately, all the world is suffering from Corona pandemic, Corona. And it is seen, it is recommended by Ayush department of government or many homeopathic doctors that they prepare diluted form, much diluted form of these arsenic compound. And in the market now, arsenicum album tablets of homeopathy are available. 30x, 60x and 1m, etc. I don't know much about homeopathy, but just for curiosity, this arsenicum, when it is prepared so much in a diluted form and taken in the morning, only 4 tablets, 3 days, it is practiced by in some part of the India by some homeopathic doctors, some patients of the homeopathic doctors. And they claim, they believe that this 4 tablets every day, arsenicum album, for 3 days in a month, and go on taking every month, that may prevent, I'm saying may, from the coronavirus infection, COVID-19. I am making my words very clear. I am not claiming anything. I am not claiming anything about its success. Social distancing mandatory, mask mandatory, normal precautions from COVID-19 mandatory. In addition to that, under the supervision, under the consultation of homeopathy doctor, this arsenic, because we have come over here, Harta and Manashir, Ayurveda also uses as a Kafagna dravya, Kafagna. Do you understand? Right? Nirukti and types of Musha and describe Vajra Musha with a diagram. Right? Vishesha Shodhana and Marana Vidhi of Tamra, copper. I'm sorry, there is some sound outside. Some door is getting attacked and vibrating. Sorry for that external noise, if at all, coming in the video. Now, write Ashta Sanskar of Parada in detail. Write the names of Maharasa. Write the synonyms, types, Shodhana Maran, and uses of Makshika. Okay. Next. Write importance of Bhavana Sanskar in Khalvi Rasayana Kalpa Nirman. Khalvi, mortal and pesal and mortal. That दगडी खलबत्ता म्हणतो ना आपण, त्याच्यात खलतो की नाही द्रव्य, तसे हे आहे. खलवी रसायन कल्प निर्माण. राईट. इनग्रेडियंट्स मात्रा मीन डोजेस. अनुपान, vehicle, carrier, whether it should be taken with hot water, with the honey, with the ghee, that is called as anupana in Ayurveda. And uses of Ananda Bhairava Rasa and Hinguleshwara Rasa. 2 medicines are there. Right? Definition, types, importance of Putta, fire. Describe Gaja Putta and Varaha Putta with diagram in detail. Blank slide. 1 year has completed. Next, summer 2016 paper, question paper. Describe Gandhaka Shodhana, sulfur. Describe Parada Gati. Describe Gostani Musha with its diagram and uses. Next, write the ingredients, manufacturing process and uses of Laghu Suta Shekhara Rasa. It's the lower version of Suta Shekhara Rasa. For Amla Pitta originated from Sama Pitta. Remember this concept. For nausea, travel sickness, you can use the Laghu Suta Shekhara. Write the method of Shodhana and two formulations of Bhallataka. Important, Bhallataka. Write the synonyms, types and Shodhana process of Gairika. Gairik. Write the names of Paradabandh. Describe the ingredients, manufacturing process, doses and uses of, again the same thing, Tribhuvana Kirti Ras for influenza, flu, antipyretic with the warm water, but not for Pitta people. Describe the Mrutaloha and Bhasma of Bhasma Pariksha. I am sorry, Bhasma Pariksha. When the final product is prepared, Bhasma, there are different tests. They can put it in the water, whether it is sinking, whether they are floating. If you rub this powder, Bhasma powder, it should reach into the minus lines. So that is concept like a nanoparticles. Original metal cannot be detected in the Bhasma. Original raw molecules of metal cannot be detected when the final Bhasma is prepared. Because that raw particles, raw molecules are converted to nanoparticles according to physics and according to Ayurvedic concept, that is converted totally different in the Bhasma. Okay. Next, I think describe where we are. Tribhuvan Kirti, describe Mrutalo and Bhasma Pariksha. Write the Nirukti synonyms of Musha and describe the Samanya Musha. Describe difference between Jarana and Murchana. Define Ratna, precious stones, and describe the Ratna and Graha, planets, Sambandha. Write the names of Maharasa, Dravya, and describe Shodhana and Maran of Makshika. Next, write the definition, types of Putta, describe following Putta in detail. Gaja Putta, Varaha Putta, and Kapota Putta. Describe Parada Ashtasamskara in detail. Write the names of Sudha Varga and describe Shankha conch in detail. Calcium carbonate. Remember, this Sudha Varga is the best medicine for bones, for musculoskeletal system, for osteoporosis, osteopenia, for rickets. Sudha Varga, calcium carbonate are best. Okay. Write the ingredients, manufacturing process, dose, uses of following formulations. Rasa Pottali. Here again, printing mistake. I think I should correct it if you allow me. Okay, I have made it. Rasa Pottali. Then Panchamrita Parpati. Then Navayasa Loha. You should know all about these products. Blank slide, nothing to be worried. Winter 2017. Define. Paribhasha. Describe Mitra Panchaka. What is that Mitra Panchaka? Write the definition and types of Musha. Right? What is Jarana and explain it. Describe Gaja Putta. Write chemical composition and Shodhana of Kasisa. Kasisa Bhasma is very good medicine for anemic patient. Pandu Vyadhi, Kasisa Bhasma, Mandura Bhasma, important medicines like iron compounds. So they are best. Mandura Bhasma for children, Kasisa Bhasma for adult. Gauri Pashan, write physical properties and two kalpas. Write the names of Sudha Varga and write Shodhana and two kalpa. Kalpa means products of Khatik. Define Ratna. Many times the question is describe Samanya Shodhana and Graha Sambandha. Relation of Ratna and Graha. Precious stones and stones. Precious stones and planets. Okay. Describe Bhunag and Mayura Picha Mashi. I know Mayura Picha Mashi, animal product. Peacock's feathers. We burn it. And Mayura Picha Mashi Chatana is very good to control the chardi or the vomiting. Mayura Pichamashi for vomiting problem. Next. Describe Paradagati. What is Amruti Karana? Write its utility with examples. Explain Rasashala, whole formous unit. In brief, according to the ancient view, Prachin, Arvachin. Prachin and Arvachin. This is ancient means Ayurvedic view, not the modern. Write definition, types, Samanya Shodhana of Dhatu. Describe synonyms, Shodhana, Marana, dosage and uses of Nag Dhatu. Nag, Vanga and Jasad, all bhasmas are very important. They are all Kleda Nashana. Kleda Nashana. Nag, Vanga, Jasad. Together, 3 Vanga bhasma. Very good medicine for diabetes mellitus. To control diabetes mellitus. Nag, Vanga and Jasada. Okay. What is Kupipakva Rasayan? Write its types. Write ingredients, preparation methods, doses and uses of Samira Pannaga Rasa. I already told Samira Pannag. Margavarodhajanya Vata, backache, arthritis, etc. Write ingredients, doses, anupan and uses of following kalpa, that is medicine, Hinguleshwara Rasa and Ananda Bhairava Rasa. Write the names of Visha. Describe Shodhana, dose and 2 kalpa of Bhallataka. Okay. Semicarpus anacardium. I am a little bit surprised why this Bhallataka has been coming repeatedly in the Rasa Kalpa. Because of some products from the Bhallatak, there are Rasa Kalpa like Bhallatak Parpati. But Bhallatak medicine should be studied in Dravya Guna Vijnan also. This is a very hot medicine, Bhallataka. Bibba Mantat, Marathi Made, it is called as a Bibba. Blank slide, nothing to be worried. Summer 2017. Write the importance of Rasa, Aushadhi. I have already told you the 4 benefits. Very small dose, fast in action because of the catalytic action, long shelf life and easy palatability, easy to take. Write the definition of Bhavana and Shodhana. Describe Kachapa Yantra with diagram. Write the Shodhana and Maran of Naga Dhatu, Naga, Vanga and Jasada. Remember, write ingredients and uses of Ichha Bhedi Rasa. Very important medicine. I have used a lot. This is called as a Jayapal Kalpa. Please write down. Jayapal Protontiglium. This is basic herb, but Rasa Kalpas are prepared. So 3 Jayapal Kalpa, 3 Jayapal Kalpa for Virechana, for purgative, laxative action. These are the purgatives, not simple loose motions, strong loose motion, minimum 7, 8, 10 per day. That is Virechana Chikitsa Panchakarma. So 3 products are used: Ashwakanchuki, Ashwakanchuki, Ichha Bedi, and Naracharas. Jayapal Kalpa, Ashwakanchuki, Ichha Bedi, Naracharas. The quantity, proportion of Jayapal is more and more. If Ashwakanchuki 1 part is Jayapal there, then Ichha Bedi 3 times. Then Naracharasa again 4 times Jayapal proportion is there. So it is more and more stronger kalpas of Jayapal, Proton, Tiglium, stronger Virechana kalpas. Describe Dosh of Tamra Dhatu. Describe various types of Dhatu, not of Sharira Kriya. This is Rasa Ushadhi. Remember, Rasa Shastra and Vaishajya Kalpana is the name of the subject. So Dhatu, Swarna, Raupya, Tamra, Makshik, etc. etc. Describe types and Shodhana and Maran of Harta. Harta and Manashya, arsenic products. Right? Samanya Shodhana of Ratna. Describe Marana process of Manikya Ratna. Manikya Ratna. According to Rasaratna Samuchaya, describe types of Khalva Yantra. Khalva Yantra. Okay, next slide. Describe Gostani Musha and Vruntak Musha. Gostani, and Vruntak Musha. Right ingredients, Nirman Vidhi and uses of Chandra Prabhavati, one of the best popular medicine of Ayurveda. Chandra Prabhavati is the best medicine for diabetes mellitus, for urinary tract problems, for urinary tract infection, for obesity, for dyslipidemia. It's a rasayan. It is a rasayan. It is not for acute control. It keeps your normal physiology maintained in your body. So Chandra Prabha. Right in detail, Rasagati, that is a Paradagati. Next. Describe Rasashala according to both ancient and modern. Right name of the Ratna and describe Mauktik. Mauktik means pearl. Very cooling effect. मोत्याची माळ पांढरी पांढरे मोती असतात ना पर्ल. Occurrence, synonyms, chemical composition, origin, type, Shodhan, Maran, and uses in detail about Mauktik. Mauktik Basma is the best medicine. Write down, please write down. Mukta Pishti Vati. Very important. Mukta Pishti Vati is a tablet, costly tablet, but most important medicine for controlling hypertension due to the mental stress, due to the hot temper person. Hypertension with hot temper, Mukta Pishti Vati, 2 tablets per day. And check periodically your blood pressure. Blood pressure patient should check their blood pressure every week from a family physician. This is mandatory. Okay. Next slide. Write the names of Ashtadasha Samskar. 8 plus 10, 18. Ashtadasha Samskar of Parada, Mercury, and describe in detail Ashta Samskar of Parada. Ashtadasha and Ashta. Write name of Maharasa and write Shila Jatu. Synonyms, occurrence, types, Grahya, Grahyatva, Shodhana, and use in detail. Blank slide, nothing to be worried about. Next year, summer 2018. Define Shodhana and write 2 examples of Shodhana. Define Koshti and describe Angara Koshti. Koshti, Angara Koshti. Write the ingredients and manufacturing process, doses and uses of Laghu Suta Shekhar Ras. Describe electrical muffle furnace. Write the method of Shodhana and 2 formulations of Bhallatak Bibba in Marathi. Very hot. Should be used very cautiously for the Pitta people. No use when bleeding is there. When Grishma Rutu, hot sun is outside. Bhallataka, careful. Bhallataka, careful. Right? Synonyms and types, Shodhana procedure of Hingula. Hingula. Write the ingredients, manufacturing process and uses of Chandra Prabhavati, best tablet as a rasayana for obese people, dyslipidemia, urinary tract problems, and diabetes mellitus. Define Parpati in between, banana leaves. Parpati, write its types of Pak, Mrudu, Madhya, and Kharpak. Describe the ingredients, manufacturing process, doses, and uses of Rasa Parpati. So Rasa Parpati, Tamra Parpati, Bola Parpati, Suvarna Parpati. So different products are there. Write the names of dravyas included in Uparasa and write synonyms, types, method of Shodhan, and 2 formulations of Gairik. Write the synonyms, chemical composition, and types, Shodhana Maran process of Shankh, Sudhavarga, calcium carbonate, Shankh. Explain the quality control of Ras Aushadhi in brief. Nowadays, this is very important. Standardization, quality control. If I am manufacturing, any company is manufacturing Arogyavardhini in 2018 year, in 2019 year, in 2020 year, each batch of Arogyavardhini should have the same parameters of quality and quantity measure. So that is called as a quality control. Write Nirukti synonyms of Musha and describe Gostani Musha. Describe pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance in the hospital management. NABH. National Accreditation Board of Hospital, they are recommending pharmacovigilance is a supervision on the medicine manufacturing, is delivery, giving to the patient, taking by the patient, whether all the things are very neat, clear and proper, then pharmacovigilance is good. So vigilance is a supervision on distribution of the medicine from manufacturing to the taking of the medicine by the patient. Next, what is Kupipakva Rasayan? Right, manufacturing process and dose and uses of Rasa Sindur, Kafagna Dravya. Describe, put in detail. Define Dhatu and describe Tamra or the copper in detail. Define Ratna, precious stones. Right, Ratna Dosha, Ratna and Graha, Sambandha relation, and describe Vajra, diamond in detail. My dear friends, Hiraka Bhasma. Hiraka Bhasma is very, very, very costly, but some Vaidyas are very successfully using Hiraka Bhasma to treat many cancer patients. Strong medicine, costly medicine, strong disease. So Hiraka Bhasma and cancer under the supervision or by prescription, by dispensing by only and only Vaidya, not for patient directly as a self-medication. Never, never do that. Never do that. Important topics in this Rasashastra Vaishajya Kalpana subject. For fast revision, Shilajit is important, Dhanya Bhraka is there, Ratna and Graha Sambandha, Tribhuvana Kirti Ras, Rasa Sindur, Abrak, Samir Pannag Ras, Suta Shekhar Ras. Pravar Panchamrut, Suvarna Malini Vasanta, Gandhaka Dhriti, Hemagarbha Pottali, Tamra Parpati, Arogya Vardhini, Shwasa Kuthar Ras, Panchamrita Parpati, Tribhuvana Kirti Ras, Ananda Bhairav Ras, Hinguleshwara Ras, and Laghu Suta Shekhar Ras. Important topics from this syllabus or from question papers. This is based on question paper only, not from syllabus. Parada Ashta Sanskar, Rasa Pottali, again the printing mistake, I am sorry for that matter. Pottali, Panchamrita Parpati, Navaya Saloh, Bhunag and Mayura Pichamashi, Ananda Bhairav Rasa, Ichha Bhedi, Chandra Prabha. I think here also Chandra Prabha. Yes, Chandra Prabhavati. Okay. Laghu Suta Shekhar Ras, Yantra, Musha, Maharasa, Uparasa, Sadharan Rasa, Putta, Charana, Marana, Murchana, Amrutikarana, and Mitra Panchak. So these are the conclusion. Once again, my last reminder, if anybody wants to contact me personally, these are my paid services. You can write me mail for online consultation. Then your lifestyle counseling based on Prakriti. I do the Prakriti Parikshan. We can do the palmistry, Hasta Samudrika, and also I can take online classes of medicine, pharmacology. It is not regular classes. Remember, many, they ask my fans, sir, when it is started? No, this is personal, freelance. Anybody can approach me. By one student, two students, three students come together. Sir, what are the fees? We will discuss on the mail. Okay. So anybody can contact me for these services. And you may be subscriber of my YouTube. But what is my request to you by making hands like this? You convey message to your friends and ask them to share, subscribe, and like my videos. Your feedback, positive feedback, is always encouraging, always stimulation for such type of my activity. So thank you very much. This is the last slide. This is Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande. I am very much happy to share this, my knowledge and experience, and to propagate Ayurveda and medical science in an ethical manner. Thank you very much. Stay at home and take good care of yourself. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. I am now closing this particular video or the sharing. Okay. So this is end of our today's topic, and let us go as an end of meeting,